I'm going to clean my dishwasher today using this dishwasher cleaner. It's from Active brand, and they have sent this cleaner to me to try out so that I can share my honest opinion of it with you. First thing I did was pull out one packet. They're all individual packets wrapped separately. And there are 24 in the box, which is enough for a year if you clean your dishwasher twice a month. This is the before picture of my dishwasher. There's a lot of white residue in the bottom. Here you can see the white residue much better. The directions for cleaning say to take this first knob, pull that off. And so it's pretty bad. I've never had this off before. And then you can see down in the hole a little bit. But it says that you should clean this by hand. So I will do that. So now I have cleaned this piece. As you can see, it looks much better. And I will attempt to put it back where it was. And I guess these arrows probably are supposed to match up. Okay, and then I'm going to get a dishwashing tablet to put in. I'm unwrapping this tablet, and it's blue and yellow. I'm going to put it into the dispenser and close the little door. Here's the dishwasher after the cleaning process was finished. It still has white residue in the bottom, and that doesn't wipe off, so I guess that's just accumulated over the years and won't come off anymore. But it appears to be really clean, much better than when I started. So I think this is a success, and I think I will run another load like this in a day or so, just because it had never been cleaned before, and maybe it will turn out better. But I'm going to do this twice a month from now on. I think this is a great product, and it's supposed to be cleaning the deep interior parts of the dishwasher, so that will prolong its life. So I do recommend this product.